Alright, so here's a little update on the planter. As you can see, a lot of the lettuce have changed. They're a lot bigger than they used to be. And what happened here is in the morning we had some frost still, so you can see on the tomatoes how it changed color to a little brown. But I'm hoping now that we have good weather that's going to change. But you can see the lettuce is just beautiful. Everything is looking really good. It's nice soil. This bed right here is in the section that gets a lot of sun, as you can see, but things are looking really good. So this is just an update on the planter that I did here, and the vegetables, how they're working out. You can see some of the onions here. I have some garlic on this side, but it looks really good. Hopefully the tomato plants survive. As you can see, they do have some brown spots from the frost, and you know, this is we'll figure out what's going to happen with this. Hopefully everything grows, and I'll make an update as to what's going on with the planter. But so far so good. It's keeping the dirt in, no problem. It has rained quite a lot actually, and everything is intact. Everything looks good. So hopefully this works. Okay, so here I have my garden here in the back of my shed here, and you can see one of the benefits of having a planter right off the bat is this kale right here. And you have raccoons and squirrels coming in here, and you can see they just eat away at the kale. Hopefully with the planter being all the way down there and away from here from the back, hopefully that lettuce that the planter has survives and everything else. Because over here, over the years on the back garden, it seems like they've just, like the raccoons and the squirrels, just been getting to everything. And let me just show you what I have real quick here. Here I have some basil. These are some peppers right here, some jalapenos, some cucumbers. I have some squash all the way back there, lots of peppers. Yeah. These are some Brussels sprouts right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant some eggplant somewhere over here. But you can see this is the garden and how it's doing. And then over here I have a 50-gallon rain collector that I use to pretty much water the plants. So that's just an update. And here we have a trellis that I did, and that's going to be for the vines. You can see there's some vines all around right there, and hopefully as the vines spread out, I can go ahead and use this trellis that I built in order to support the vines. But anyways, this is just an update of the garden and the planter. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you keep checking back to see the progress of the planter and maybe the garden. And I hope that this inspires you to make your own planter. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, put a like on it, and thanks for watching.